house that we're staying at in Daegu. So I'm gonna bring you on a very quick house tour because we're leaving the house. So, right, so this is how it looks like on the outside. I'm gonna bring you guys inside. Hi. Alright, as soon as you enter, the Shrek big mirror. And then next is a closet where we hang our coats. And then here is the fridge. At the bottom we have Kak Is apa? Freezer. Andai. There's a microwave. Tissue is provided. And then more cupboards. More tissue down here. More towels. Patut kita guna je towel ni. Storage area. Cannot. Siapa nak cakap pasal kitchen? Kat situ ada apa? Induction cooker, washer dryer, kettle is provided. Open. Bowls, plates and mugs are provided. And what else? Microwave done already. Ini done. This one is a dining table. You can pull it out and eat here. Or maybe not. Maybe just working area to cook. Because there's no chair provided to eat there. Okay. Queen size bed. A cute size sofa. A table. Big ass window. Another couch. A big ass TV. A huge TV. And then up here we have stairs to go up. This stairs is very steep. Not advisable to have kids under 12. Right, so this is how it looks like upstairs. And there's more storage area here with more blankets and duvet and pillows, meaning this is a queen size bed, so 2 people can sleep here and another one can sleep here. This one, the pillows and the blankets. Just now it was the duvet. Right here, more pillow, which I think you can also hang your clothes here. And more storage area here. Inilah tilam dia. Okay. I think the storage area for this house is more than enough. Superb. Okay. So there is a power supply there. And there is also power supply there behind the pillow. This is how it looks like from the top of the house. I think the lights is too bright. Okay, we're leaving the house. We're going to close this and go down. Very steep, need to be careful. So Kayana, what do you like about this house?
It's large enough for 4 people. We got kitchenette with a washer and dryer.
Even though we don't use it?
Fully equipped with pans and pots.
Oh.
And the view.
And the view.
Disney Plus comes for free.
Oh yeah, there's Disney Plus. Netflix tak ada kan? Ada juga. So that's Hyundai Mall. We ate our dinner there. The famous Starbucks in Hanok is somewhere there. And this is how Daegu looks like from 20th floor. Okay, the toilet. Hey, don't close the door. Okay. The toilet is fully equipped as well. They gave us the toothbrush. That is actually the toothpaste. We thought the toothpaste was not given until we actually read it. It's actually the toothpaste. The jamban. The toilet comes with a bidet. This thing, which is great. Okay. So this is how the shower looks like. Everything there is given by the house owner, which is Alright. Behind those mirror, and there's more storage for you to put your things, so you don't actually have to use this space. You can just store it there and keep it there, so it looks neat and tidy. Oh shit, basah. Alright, so that's it. Okay, this area over here is a space for you to go out and enjoy the view, aka smoking area. We are on the 20th floor, the most topped, and this is a duplex house. Foot. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.
그래서 주차장에 연락을 해서 차단기를 열어드리겠습니다.
Oh, you will call
Yes,
this.
yes.
Oh, okay. Sure. So this is the building of the house that we stay at. There's actually a parking for this building, but it's already full with residents. So now we are at the side of the road with all of our stuffs because our parking is there, that building over there. So my sister is now on her way up there to take the car, and then she will stop here to pick up. So well, that's slacks a bit, but it's okay.